Okay, now pull it out. Pull the whole thing out. That's what you carry her in. Oh my goodness.
It might be for dolls, but I'm sure.
And a book with her?
You aren't jealous of the doll, you're jealous that you didn't get.
I wonder what her name is. Cameron, do you want an American Girl doll, Cameron?
Yes, I do. I would turn around and sell her. I know I have to get some serious money.
Oh, you would just do it for the cash? You wouldn't play with the doll?
I would too. Really?
You don't want a doll?
Yeah. I'm gonna sell that without Avery's permission. I'm gonna sell all that stuff together.
Austin, no, you're not. All right, do you have a pair of scissors?
So we're gonna give some of that money to me, right?
Doll School.
No! Watch him!
Very cool. All right, Austin. Hey, Austin.
That box. I can use it again.
Don't
I'm
Austin.
going to take him so he doesn't.
Actually, Cameron, pick up all those things and put them,
I know there's a
and don't wreck the boxes, okay? Here, unzip it, honey. Unzip it. No, you didn't. It unzips all the way.
No, don't break the zipper. Don't break the zipper. Well, you have to
Cameron,
do it on the side.
Lauren got this too.
Right off the top.
she got that bag? Avery, look. What do you say down to Becky?
Austin, not right now.
Hey.
Say I love you.